How to recover deleted Telegram channel. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you recover deleted Telegram channel. So first thing, simply head over to your Telegram application, and let's say I want to delete or completely leave this channel. So let me just quickly delete it from over here. So as you can see, I will be getting a 5 seconds to simply undo the channel deletion and simply get back to my channel. So let's say you have completely deleted the channel and let's say your timer runs out. So in that case, what you need to do is just come back to your search bar and just search in for the same particular account name. Just make sure you have remembered the channel name correctly, and once you search in for the channel name, and when you found that channel, just tap on this and simply click on this join button to successfully join back to that particular channel. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.